Hi, hello, good good morning. My name is K. Sridhar, SAP CO Product Costing and Material Ledger Consultant, and having a 10 plus years of experience, 8 to end-to-end implementations I did. Apart from that, 6 ECC implementations and 2 S4 HANA implementations I completely end-to-end I did. Now I am doing 1909 S4 HANA latest version. I am doing one implementation. During my implementation, I did industry sectors, cement, chemical, steel, foundries, and pharmaceuticals. Completely with the product costing, material ledger, and COPA. My core specialization is a product costing, material ledger, and COPA. Now, a lot of consultants asking me to give demo on how material ledger functionality will work along with the transfer price. That's why in this video I will give presentation on material ledger with the transfer price concept. Now I am giving a 1909 IDES access. I have taken a 1909 IDES access and completely I did configuration FIMM, but some major elements in product costing as well as a material ledger I will show you configuration where is the important, as well as, and I will give SAP end user access how this material ledger will work. Now let us start. First, before going to that, first we need to check what is the cost component structure. It is a very important cost component structure. This one I took one sample cement industries, just like a Jura cement industries. For this I made it a this configuration. Normally wherever we will go implementation, almost 80 to 90% this type of a structure only, completely that the client's requirement. Direct material, direct labor, factory overheads. Factory overheads means machine, electricity, repairs and maintenance, research and development, byproduct, if any additives, external operations, and subcontracting. External operations, subcontracting later I will tell. Now this cost component structure we have to build and necessary whatever the product costing configurations I did. And coming to the material ledger, now we are discussing about the transfer price. What are the important configuration settings required in the material ledger? I will show you briefly about. First, in controlling area, general controlling, this one, organization. First we have to maintain two versions along with 0 standard version. I maintain ZK1 and ZK2. ZK1 and ZK2s are, one is the group valuation and the second one is the profit center valuation. 3 versions we have to do for implementing a transfer price. One is the standard, that is a 0 version, and second one is the group valuation, and third one is the profit center valuation. And click on this one. Here 0 is the legal valuation, group valuation is the group valuation, and ZK2 means ZK1 is the group valuation and ZK2 is the legal value, profit center valuation. You click on this. This should be compulsory like this. Valuation profile options are consistent, then only transfer price will work in our company code as well as a controlling area. This first we have to do this settings, and the second settings, and in product costing, material ledger, here assign currency type, define material ledger type. this one. This is the major difference between ECC and S4 HANA. In ECC, this will we can highlight currency type from FI, CO currency type, but here and manually also we can make it. But in this, these two are display mode, and here whatever we can, sometimes multiple currencies also we can implement, sometimes multiple valuations also implement. Otherwise don't want customer don't want to multiple valuations, multiple currencies, only single legal valuation only. For that, here I maintained these characteristics like this. Here company code currency, group currency group valuation, group currency profit center valuation. Here one more group valuation is there. Here two functionalities. 11 is the company code and group valuation, 12 is the company code and profit center valuation, and 31 is the group currency group valuation, and 32 is the group currency group valuation. Which means here company code, whatever the company code currency, same currency will applicable to the 10, 11 or 12, even group valuation and profit center valuation. Coming to the 31 and 32, company code currency is different, and 31, 32 is a other currency. Means here I took CHF, means Switzerland currency as the company code currency, and group currency is the USD currency. That means here CHF legal valuation, USD group valuation, USD profit center valuation. This I took 10, 31, 32. These three I took. This is the second important step for transfer pricing. And in S4 HANA, this one more major important step here in financial accounting. Ledgers. Define settings for ledgers and currency type. Enter. Here select for standard 0L ledger and click on company codes. Here I created Jura Cement in the company code. Here this we can select like this. See, observed here. First currency 10. This is a company code currency. Means I took a CHF is the company code currency. Group currency USD. So that 31, 32 is the group currency. Group currency group valuation, and group currency profit center valuation. Like that I maintain here. That means we can see here currency type legal valuation, this is the group valuation, and this is the profit center valuation. These three steps we have to maintain for transfer pricing in material ledger. After that, then we can go and check just whatever this obsolete in S4 HANA OB22 for checking whether this properly done or not. In company code, enter, double click on this one. First currency company code currency, legal currency CHF, and group currency group valuation USD, group currency profit center valuation 30. Once this okay, then we can go for activation, material ledger activation, as well as currency value activation, as well as material ledger activation. SPRO. Controlling area, general controlling area, multiple valuation transfer values, basic settings, and activation. Here already I did activation. For checking purpose, just controlling area, execute. Like this will come. Currency and valuation profile. This already activated. You can see because I just half an hour back I already activated. That's why here this is 10, 30, 30. 10 goes to 0, 30 goes to means 31, 31 ZK1 and 32 ZK2 profit center valuation. Then once completed, then we will go for CKM start, START. This I did for checking purpose already activated. Then if you can go CKM9 for checking whether this plant activated or not. Here we can see. Here material ledger active. And come to down. Here this one. Currency settings for the material ledger. 30 group currency, 31 group, 10 is the group currency, 31 group currency group valuation, and 32 is the profit center valuation. And similarly, same this also in FI point of view. Company code currency, group valuation. This is the basic configuration settings for material ledger. Now we will see how this functionality will work in end user part. For that, we need to create a materials first. MM01. We will take one raw material. I will take raw material 1, and material type is the raw material. Standard raw material, we have to take this one. Requirement basic data 1, purchasing MRP 1, 2, and the general plant data student location 1 and 2, accounting 1, and the costing 1 and 2. Click on organization level, give plant, storage location, enter. Now give raw material 1. Basic unit of measure each unit, and the material group is the yes this one, and purchasing group everything I configured. No, I didn't take standard one. Completely SD, MM, FI, CO, PP module I created myself. That's why all our purchasing group is PUR like that. This is the raw material. No need of a planning for this one temporary. If we are not running any MRP, ND. And this is the procurement type, automatically F will come. Here normally 2 will come. One is the manufacturing, second one is the procurement, and the X is the both. For this raw material is the F. Here valuation class, raw material UR1. Here we can see in accounting 1 tab we can see this is the company code legal valuation. This is the company group currency group valuation. Put on cursor on this one, group currency group valuation, and group currency profit center valuation. For this temporarily I will give 100. Then all rate, because this is the first currency is the Switzerland CHF currency 100, and automatically will convert it into USD 6446, 6446. Both are USD, that's why both are same, and enter. select here profit center we have to give. Here temporarily I will give a profit center. Remember, this profit center is very important. Make it as a RM is the profit center. Enter. Save. Availability check, no check. Now raw material got created. Now we'll go for FG material. Just FG will take FG1 material. For that standard finished product we have to take this one. Enter. Basic data one. Now I will not consider just for these saleable material, but for this only for transfer by execution purpose I will not take right now. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. Work scheduling, general plan, data storage 1 and 2, accounting 1 and accounting 2, costing 2. Now organization levels, same, plant and storage location, enter. Here FG iPhone 1, give unit of measure, and this is the material we will do in future as a plan. That's why we'll make it immediately. System will ask MRP controller, then we have to give, then immediately again the system will ask large size U. Here procurement type, this is a pure manufacturing, that's why we will make it as a in-house production. Enter. In-house production, so how many days production will do? Means 1 day. And KP, enter. Same here also, same functionality. This currency type, company code currency, group valuation, group currency, profit center valuation. But here though I will not give any standard price, because of this should come from standard price with ML. That's why right now I will not give, then only we can understand how these rates will come and updated in each boxes. Give valuation class for FG, enter. And here give FG profit center. Save. Now I will create a bill of material CS01 FG iPhone 1, enter. For FG1, raw material will be a input material, RM iPhone. What is that material code? RA1. Just to give, will give. Save. And for this routing, CA01, material, plant, remove group, system will come automatically, give one number, and usage is the production, and the status is the released status, normal general, and give operation. Here work center, I created one work center, Jura FG, same we can use, and the control key is the PP01. Double click on operations. Here I designed activity types, labor, mission, power, fuel, diesel, just a sample purpose, 5 hours, hours, machine is the 4 hours required, and the power is the kilowatts and liter. Means here for doing a standard cost estimation, labor 5 hours required, machine hour runnings 4 hours required, power 3 kilowatts required, fuel and diesel both required 2 liters. That means here standard cost estimation is nothing but how much of a one quantity or costing large size, how much of a raw material, how much of a activity type quantities are required. That is the definition of a standard costing. Now after creating a BOM and routing, then we will go for transfer pricing concept. Here AKE5. AKE5 is the create condition records. See here, transfer price, click on condition, select first one, dependent on material and receiver profit center. Here controlling area, plant, and here this is the raw material, and here receiver profit center. Receiver material means from raw material to finished product. Receiver material profit center we have to give. That is a profit center. Here you give some percentage. This is nothing but a transfer price. How much of a price we can add it? See, create a transfer price condition. Means this is the condition. This is the you are to as a condition. For this condition, I am maintaining right now raw material system manufacturing, taking a raw material as input material to the FG material. Raw material is the direct raw material, and the FG profit center we have to give here. For that, how much of a percentage we want to add extra? 10%. Save. Condition record saved. Now we will go. Now here one more thing here, S4 HANA production version is a mandatory. Even client is following discrete manufacturing also. Sometimes discrete manufacturing, if the company wanted to production order, some companies they don't want to maintain a production versions. But without production versions also we can do. But in S4 HANA is a mandatory. That's why we will maintain a mandatory. For doing a standard cost estimation, not required. For production order or process order creation purpose, a compulsory production version we need to maintain. I will show you how maintain production version. Directly MM01 FG change material and go to MRP4 tab, enter, give plant and storage location, where you are here. Then here in MRP4 tab production version is there. Here we will give production version 10, production version 1. Now only we maintain bill of material and routing, so we have to give today onwards, and the validity period is the 31st 12 tonight. And double click on version. Here in this planning, detailed planning, routing, select just now what we created a routing, that routing number for this is the number 14, and the same this bill of material also we have to maintain number 1, and click on check, cancel. This should come both green status. This is the routing part. This is the bill of material, BOM part. Both should be green. Then only system will work, creating a production on this production order, process order. Otherwise, system will throw error. This should be. Then continue and continue. Then this version indicated tick box will come. Now save. Now we'll put this screen like that. Select accounting one tab. Enter. Only select accounting one tab. Organization levels. Give our plant. Enter. Not valuation type. Just enter. Keep this screen like this only. After standard cost estimation, how this will figure out. Go to one more session. Now we will do CK11 standard cost estimation. New material plant valuation type. This is also one of the S4 HANA change. In ECC, only material plant will be available. There is no valuation type here. Automatically system will backend split valuation configuration system. But here we can do maintain here. We have to give here if it is a single level, a single material cost estimation. If we go CK40NN, that also. But here valuation type we have to give. But we didn't maintain valuation type. Then costing variant PPC1. PPC1 is the legal valuation. Enter. Costing date from today's date to 999. Quantity structure is nothing but a BOM on routing date. Their values date. Enter. This should be green status will come. Go cost components. This is the red. This is the legal valuation. Yeah, costing date is the legal valuation. This legal valuation value is 296.41. Save. Go back and release this material legal valuation value. JURA, give company code and plant material. Here you can observe three valuation we are following: legal valuation, group valuation, profit center valuation. Now we did CK11 for only for legal valuation. You don't want, we can remove. If you put also, no problem. Then first marking of a legal valuation, then release, execute. Here 296.41 will go and update here. If you go and come back, that 296 point, because I did the legal evaluation for this one, that's why it will go and come back. Go and check. Go back, enter. We will go default value. $296.4. These two are empty still because of till now we didn't run cost estimation for this group and profit center valuation. This one legal valuation will done. Then again go back CK11, same material, plant and costing variant for group valuation. Standard also available. If you want, you can create a new one. I created a new ZPC1 group valuation. enter. Quantity structure date, value date from 11/7, and costing date also today's date. This one. Go to cost component. See this costing date. This is the group valuation ZPC1, and what is the value? 227.92. Okay, once this is the green status, then symbols is okay, go, then save. See here, observe, check this material 124.92. I will tell what is the, you see this 124.92 material. Save, back, then release for this valuation, group valuation CK24, material FG-1, plant material. Now we did this one, remove this just for temporary purpose. Normally in a live environment we will not touch this. The system automatically will consider whatever we did, legal valuation, group valuation, profit center valuation. For identification purpose I am doing like this, group valuation. Click one cost estimation, one material successfully updated, then release, execute, updated successfully. Now this 227 will update in this place once you go and come back, because this is a Switzerland currency, that's why this is the 296. This is a USD currency, that's why that rate is a fluctuation 227.92. Go, enter, see 227.92. But here what we will expect, this is a USD, this is also USD, that same rate should come here also, like that we will think. Let's see what will happen. Again go final standard costing CK11 FG1, plant, here costing variant profit center valuation. Shut. జూమ్ కాదు, నేను అంతా రికార్డ్ చేసి మొత్తం పోయింది, నువ్వు రాదు ఇప్పుడే. నేను మళ్ళీ 1 అవర్ తర్వాత రమ్మని చెప్పా కదా, మళ్ళీ నేను ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చేయాలి. మళ్ళీ నేను ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చేయాలి, అంతా పోయింది. హలో, యా, disturbance outside. Now CK11 ZPC2, and this is the profit center valuation. See, earlier immediately system went to some other screen, that is a cost component structure, cost component. But here immediately after I enter that plant, material and costing variant, system will go to this material. Here this is the raw material. This material cost is the earlier is the 62 into 2 quantity, that is a 124.92. We gave a 10% is the transfer price, that means here 124.92 into 10%, this is the value. Then 124.92 plus 12.49, both values is the 137.41. Now in this profit center valuation level, this raw material cost will observe this rate. However, I will explain. Back, go to cost components, series 137.4. Save. That means here profit center valuation. This profit center valuation value ZPC2. Here, if you come down, ZPC2, if it is down this one, 240.4. Go back and CK24. And remove this, remove just one, execute, back, here 240.41, release, execute, one material, one cost estimation, save, back. Now go and check that the amount will come here. Even USD both are same because of a transfer price added to the some 10% extra on material cost. This rate will different from this rate. However, go back, enter, cancel, come here. See this 227. This is a 240. Here include a transfer price. Then breakup if you want to go to click on that material price analysis. This is a material ledger. Click on here this one, cost components, make it a standard price. This standard price means group currency is nothing but a legal valuation. Legal valuation breakup is this one, 296.41, and the group currency group valuation is nothing but 227.92, and the group currency profit center valuation is nothing but this 240.1. Here group valuation and profit center valuation all are same except raw material cost. If you observe profit center valuation 40, 28, 50, 20. Here group valuation also same 40, 28, 15, 20. But coming to the raw material cost, we added extra 124. That 124 added to the profit center valuation. 124, 10%. Then become a 137. That 137 added. This way transfer price will work for standard cost estimation, updated in material master. And one more thing, this is S4 HANA. Here under the standard price, one more price also normally will come in ECC at the time of a creation of a material master itself, like that is called as a periodic unit price. But in S4 HANA, when you are open that material ledger actual costing calculation, that time only here one more row will come under exactly under the standard price, periodic unit price of legal valuation, periodic unit price of group valuation, periodic unit price of a profit center valuation. That we will explain later. This way is a transfer price will functionality about the standard cost estimation. Similarly, this will work in others. This product cost by order scenario, product cost by period scenario, and the product cost by sale order scenario also. Okay. Now this is the close. Yeah, that's why, because of lot of people are asking material ledger functionality of especially transfer price. That's why I'm briefly giving this demo. Okay, this if more clarification, if you want to just write a mail to this my mail ID, and this is the temporary WhatsApp number. If you want any clarification, just ping me. Okay, bye. Thank you.